Hello friends, welcome back. Today I'm going to share with you homemade creamy Cajun chicken pasta. This is so delicious. It is very simple and quick recipe. So let's see how to make this weeknight dinner. So here I've taken half box of penne pasta, adding 1 teaspoon oil, 1 teaspoon salt, bring it to a boil. Turn off the stove. Now drain the water and let this cool down. So the pasta is cooled down. Now let's prepare the Cajun seasoning for the chicken marinade. So here I've taken onion powder, garlic powder, Italian seasoning. I will mention all the ingredients used here in the description below so you can later refer to it. So I've added red chili powder here. You can always add paprika or smoked paprika if you want the heat. Salt. Put this dry seasoning to the chicken breast. Marinate it well. So here I have taken the cast iron. You can cook it in normal pan also, or cast iron, both works. Even you can do it in the air fry. Here I've chopped veggies, that is tomatoes, 1 tomato, bell peppers, onion, garlic. Garlic is also chopped finely. So here the chicken is done. It's a Cajun spiced chicken, very delicious, spicy. It's not too much spicy. I added Kashmiri red chili powder. It's an Indian chili powder which is not at all. Next we will transfer this to a plate and I'm going to cut it into long strips. So the chicken is done. It smells so good. The Cajun spice and everything blends so well. Tastes delicious. So cut this into long strips like this, and we will be adding this to the creamy pasta at the end. So let's prepare the sauce now. So in a skillet, add butter here. I will mention the ingredients that I'm using here in the description below. So I have added butter here, 1 tablespoon butter, olive oil. Next I'm adding onion, then the chopped garlic, bell peppers. Give it a good stir. Let the raw smell of the onion and garlic go. Add salt here. Saute for 2 minutes. Now we will add the diced tomatoes. So here I'm taking fresh tomatoes from my garden. It's so juicy, very good. So 1 big tomato I have taken here. You can even add sun-dried cherry tomatoes. It will bring all together a new flavor to this recipe. So give it a good mix here. All the veggies are blended well. So I'm adding 2 cups of heavy whipping cream here. So this recipe is going to be creamy Cajun chicken pasta. So it has to be rich in cream, isn't it? So here I've added 1 cup right now. Bring it to a boil. Add another cup again. So our pasta is already cooked. Before that, we will add the Italian seasoning here. Little black pepper powder. So here I'm adding 1 cup of Parmesan cheese. Give it a good mix. Now bring it to a boil. So here I'm adding the chicken strips. So if you want to make this a vegetarian pasta, you can leave out the chicken and add mushroom instead of chicken here. So you need to saute mushroom with black pepper, olive oil, salt, and it's good to add to this pasta. So here this is chicken spiced. So we have added strips of chicken here. Now add the cooked pasta and give it a good mix. So it has a blend of veggies, chicken, cream, pasta all together. A very nice, weeknight dinner or a recipe that you can make in less than 30 minutes. I have added more Parmesan cheese here for richer, creamy texture and taste. Finally, it's done. I hope you enjoyed this easy and delicious recipe. Enjoy this hot or warm, because once it cools down, the cheese and everything, gets dried up. So you need to again reheat it and add more cream and Parmesan cheese. So it's better to enjoy it warm. It's done. Tastes super good. And a recipe that you can make in less than 30 minutes. Thank you for watching the video till here. If you like it, please click on the subscribe button and the like button there. It really helps my channel to grow. Thank you so much. See you again in my next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.